Hello again guys. Welcome back. In previous two videos, we learned how to write loops in C# and how to make them more useful with the continue and break statements. There is yet another type of loop, which can make your life easy in many cases. It is a foreach loop. We learned that there are four essence for writing a for loop, or a while loop in C#. However, in case of a foreach loop, you do not have to worry about declaring a loop control variable, checking its value against some condition, and modifying value after each iteration. All you need is a variable which supports enumeration. Now, which type of variables support enumeration? These are those types which implements the IEnumerable interface, or IEnumerable of T interface. Also, those types which do not implement these interfaces, but provide a public property named getEnumerator, and which have a property named current, which is the return type of this getEnumerator method, and has a moveNext method having return type bool. Such types can also be used in a foreach loop. From C# version 9.0 and above, the getEnumerator method is allowed to be the type's extension method, for it to be used in a foreach loop. The syntax of the foreach statement is fairly simple. Let's see how it works along with its syntax in the Visual Studio IDE. Let's declare a string array, which is basically a collection of strings, and name it _names. It has 3 strings in it. The string array is supported in a foreach loop, and then we will write our foreach statement. For each, in parenthesis we define a new variable. The type of this new variable must match the type of the variables in the collection that we are going to iterate over. In this case, string. So, we will write in parenthesis, string name, in, names, parenthesis complete. And the braces follows for the block of statements that will be executed each time the loop is iterated. Note that, just like in case of for loop and while loop, the braces are optional if the block contains only one statement. However, it is recommended to use braces as it makes the code look neat, and obviously, if you add some statements in the loop later, you don't have to worry about adding braces afterwards. We will in this example, write to the console, the value of the variable, name. So, the foreach loop contains one simple statement, console.writeLine, name. And that's it. Execute the program to see the output. Every string in the string array names is printed on a separate line. You see how easy is that? You did not have to declare any variable to track the position of the loop, no increment or decrement operation required to advance the loop, and no predicate statement required to check if you should continue the loop. The enumerator provides the next value to the foreach loop, behind the scene. And you might have guessed it correctly, behind the scenes is the IEnumerator interface, or the getEnumerator method which provides the next value in the loop. You can define your own type, and implement the IEnumerable interface, and use it in a foreach loop. We will see such an example in some other video. I will save that tutorial for the future and see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the .NET Study Room if you have not already. And do not forget to like and share the video. This will really help the channel grow. Thank you again.